Beta, question number 5 now we are going to see. For each of the following numbers, you have to find the smallest whole number which should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Okay, and then also we have to find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Okay, so for this question, what are we going to do? In the previous question number 4, we have seen how can we find square root by prime factorization. Okay, so same will go for these questions also. We'll find the prime factors first and then I'll see and help you with the examples how you're going to do it. Okay, so this was one of the number given to you, 252. Find its prime factors. Okay, by now hopefully all of you know how to find the prime factors. 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3s are 6. Then this one is divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7. So these are all the prime factors. That means the given number 252 can be written as 2 square, 3 square and into a single 7. Now this is not a perfect square. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जब आप कर रहे थे, यू टुक आउट प्राइम फैक्टर्स, ऑल दोज वर परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर्स, तो आपके सारे फैक्टर्स ग्रुप हो गए थे 2 2 2 2, रिमेंबर, एंड देन आउट ऑफ 2 यू वर टेकिंग आउट 1 टू फाइंड द अंडर रूट. दैट इज व्हाट यू वर डूइंग. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस हियर? Here see your 7 is left unpaired. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन था कि what is the smallest number by which we should multiply this so that it becomes a perfect square. तो यहाँ तक तो ये स्क्वायर है ही. ये 7 का भी अगर स्क्वायर हो जाता तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाता, पूरा स्क्वायर हो जाता. Right, so means 1 7 is already there. I will require one more 7 so that this also becomes 7 square. Everything becomes a square here. So the smallest number to be multiplied should be 7 to make it a perfect square. फिर उसने बोला कि जो perfect square मिल रहा है आपको उसका अंडर रूट फाइंड करो. तो जो perfect square मिलेगा वो क्या होगा? दिस वॉज योर गिवन नंबर, आप उसको हमने बोला 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये अब आपका न्यू नंबर हो गया. एंड इसका अगर अंडर रूट करना है तो इसके फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 3 स्क्वायर इंटू 7 स्क्वायर. तो अंडर रूट में आउट ऑफ 2 यू विल टेक आउट 1. सो यूल गेट अ 2 फ्रॉम हियर, 3 फ्रॉम हियर, 7 फ्रॉम हियर. 2 इंटू 3 6, 7 are 42 will be your answer. Okay, so the same you have to do, children, in all these. Find the prime factors. 180, if you find the prime factors, this is what you are getting. I hope all of you know by now how to find prime factors. That is what you have to practice on your own. Okay, you should know your tables, you should know your short division, divisibility test, वो सारा revise करो तब ये questions करो. Okay, so 180 के factors आ रहे हैं अब आपके 2 square into 3 square into 5. Now we require one more 5, so we will say this has to be multiplied by 5 to make it a perfect square. The number obtained would be 180 into 5. We have multiplied there. So now we get a square of 2 as well as 3 as well as 5. From all the squares we take out one factor and the under root would be 30. Got it? Okay. Then this is another example here. 2028. Okay, dividing by 2. 2 1s are 2. ये 0 है तो ये 0 times जाएगा, गड़बड़ नहीं करना. 2 0s are, then 2 1s are 2, 4s are, then 2 5s are 10. अगेन ये 0 times जाएगा क्योंकि 1 छोटा हो गया है, तब 0s are, ये 14 बनेगा, तब 7 2s are 14 होगा. ओके, बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस डिविजन चिल्ड्रन, फोकस ऑन दैट. ये 0 बीच से खा दोगे तो सब गड़बड़ हो जाना है. ओके, नाउ 5 plus 7 12, which is in table of 3, so this is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 2 remainder, this becomes 20, 3 6 are 18, another 2 remainder, 3 9s are 27. Now if you've learned your perfect squares, then I had said that learn perfect squares, so this is 13 square here, remember, otherwise फिर आपको tables याद है, that is up to you, your mastery. Okay, so these are all the factors. So 2 square, then 3 square, and should be multiplied with 3 is left unpaired out here, children. Sorry, this was 13 square and 2 square was there. 3 is left unpaired, so you will multiply it by 3 to get a perfect square. All right, so under root of this multiplied with 3 becomes 2 square into 3 square into 13 square, so the under root would be 2 into 3 into 13. Okay, in the above two questions I had skipped this step. I did not show under root sign and factors in the square form. I had done this step straight away. Okay, so it makes no difference, आप इसको लिखोगे एक step और clear हो जाएगा, otherwise you can come straight away to this, and your under root of the new perfect square will be 78. All right, so there are many more parts there, children, which you will try on your own likewise. Okay, now the next question, that is the 6th one. In that also the working is the same little bit, and पहले 5th question में वो बोल रहा है by what number we should multiply, यहाँ बोला है what number we should divide, but the starting will be the same. You will find the prime factors. See, This was 2800. Find its prime factors. So we got the prime factors as 2 square into 2 square into 5 square into 7 is left unpaired. So this 2800 on short division, we see the prime factors are these many. So ये 7 स्क्वायर में नहीं है. अब या तो इसमें एक 7 आप डालते मल्टीप्लाई करते तो भी ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो जाता. अगर ये 7 आप हटा दो, द रिमेनिंग इज ऑल्सो अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओके, सो अगर उसने डिविजन बोला था तो वी विल डिवाइड इट बाय 7 सो दैट ये जो स्क्वायर फॉर्म में नहीं था वो ना रहे, तो रिमेनिंग इज ऑलरेडी अ स्क्वायर. Okay, so we would say this number has to be divided by 7 to make it a perfect square. So जो भी unpaired रह गया या तो आप उसका पेयर बनाने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करोगे या उसको डिवाइड करके हटा दोगे, so that you only get squares. That's what your question is. We have to make it a perfect square. Okay, and the perfect square so obtained will be now what? 2800 you have divided by 7. तो ये 7 तो गायब हो गया. अभी आपके कितने फैक्टर्स बच गए? 2 square into 2 square into 5 square. So उसके अंडर रूट में 1 2 from here, 1 2 from here, 1 5 from here. Your under root would be 20. Okay, if you want you can divide this and get your answer, but show the number. This will become 400. अंडर रूट ऑफ 420. ओके, बट उसका ज़रूरी नहीं है बिकॉज आपसे उसने पूछा नहीं था कि व्हाट विल बी द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओके, उसने उसका अंडर रूट निकालने को बोला था, तो यू नीड नॉट इवन डू दिस वर्किंग. दिस इज योर आंसर स्ट्रेट अवे. दीज टू आर योर आंसर्स बाय व्हाट यू हैव टू डिवाइड एंड व्हाट वुड बी द अंडर रूट. तो फिर रेस्ट आप शॉर्ट भी भर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन आई हैव जस्ट डन वन एग्जाम्पल हियर फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 because as I've shown you the working is same as what we have done in 5th also, right? बाकी सब ये आपका डिविजन फैक्टराइज निकालना, ये आप जितना खुद करोगे उतना बेटर है. ओके, देन यू विल कम टू नो कि यस मुझे डिविजन आ गया है नहीं आ गया है, whether I have understood or not. Okay, if I do it and if you copy it, that is not going to help you in examination. So ये सारे पार्ट्स आप कर रहे हो खुद, you're trying. If you don't get it, if you get confused anyway, कुछ नहीं होता है, आंसर मैच नहीं करता है, तो वो वाला आप मुझसे पूछो, then that particular one I'll solve and let you know. Okay, so try question number 5 and 6. Then in the 7th one, children, that's a word problem. Okay, that was a word problem in which you were told that we have a certain number of students and those students are denoting the same amount as the number of students, and the total amount was given to you as 2401. Like कहो कि जैसे आपके क्लास 8 में सपोज 40 बच्चे हैं. ओके, सो हम आपसे बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट से कि आपके क्लास में जितने बच्चे हैं हर बच्चा उतने ही पैसे लाएगा. Okay, so if there are 40 students in your class, each of you will have to get rupees 40 each. Okay, so what will be the total amount obtained? It would be number of students into amount given by 1, isn't it? Okay, so 40 into 40 square ho gaya. Okay, so that kind of problem this is. So we will say let the number of students be x, then hum utna hi amount bhi wo collect karna tha, so then the amount donated by each student will also be x. Okay, so the total amount which was given as 2400, total amount will be obtained as product of these two. X into x will be 2401. All right, so x into x means x square. So we have to find x from here. Number of students निकालने थे हमको. The number of students x है, इसका under root find करना पड़ेगा. x square से हमें x निकालना है. Means under root, taking and finding root both the sides. तो अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर विल बी एक्स, और इसका अंडर रूट करने के लिए आप इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालोगे. अगेन दीज आर द प्राइम फैक्टर्स, यू कैन चेक योर रिविजन. सो 2401 इज 7 स्क्वायर इंटू 7 स्क्वायर, सो 1 7 from here, 1 7 from here, that means this is 49 square, or your x number of students is coming out to be 49. Fine. Okay, then your 8th one is also similar type of word problem was there, children. Number of rows was given equal to number of plants in each row. Okay, we have supposed that as x. आपकी मर्जी है, आप जो भी वेरिएबल लेना चाहो. I have taken it as x. So again, total number of plants कैसे मिलेंगे? जितनी rows हैं into एक row में जितने plants हैं. Right? You understand that? Okay, so x into x, number of rows into number of plants is equal to the total number of plants. Therefore, taking under root, because we had to find, I think, number of plants पूछे होंगे या number of rows, I don't remember now, children, but both the answers will be the same, दोनों equal हैं. Okay, so for considering that under root, इसके factors निकाले हमने again, so that came out to be 3 square into 3 square into 5 square, so that is why we have 45 rows as well as 45 plants in each row. Fine. Was there more questions there? I think there was some few questions for we children. Okay, yeah, here it is. Yes, there was a 9th question which was saying the smallest number divisible by 4, 9, 10. The question was actually find the smallest perfect square which is divisible by these three numbers. Okay, the first we are just finding the number divisible by all the three numbers. The smallest number divisible by all three numbers is its LCM. Okay, अगर वो इनसे डिविजिबल है तो इनका मल्टीपल होगा, और तीनों से है तो कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा, स्मॉलेस्ट बोला है तो लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा. ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू नो द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर divisible by these three numbers means you have to find LCM of these three numbers. Remember how we used to find LCM by division method? Okay, डिवाइडेड बाई 2 फर्स्ट, जो 2 से डिविजिबल थे, जो नहीं है वो कॉपी होते जाते हैं. जस्ट रिवाइज फाइंडिंग योर एलसीएम एंड ऑल. ओके, सो 2 1 2, ये डिविजिबल नहीं थे, कॉपी हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट ये 3 से डिविजिबल है, सो 3 1 वाला कॉपी होते जाता है. 3 3 9, ये कॉपी हो जाएगा, नहीं डिविजिबल था तो ये 3 से हुआ, फिर 5 से. देन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस गिव्स यू योर एलसीएम. सो योर एलसीएम ऑफ दीज थ्री नंबर्स इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. All right, which is coming out to be 180. So 180 is divisible by 3 of them. But आपका क्वेश्चन था smallest perfect square, और 180 perfect square नहीं है. देखो 2 तो पेयर हो गया, 3 पेयर हो गया, 5 अनपेयर्ड है. तो अगर हम इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाएंगे तो कैसे बनाएंगे? 5 से और मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, अब आप डिवाइड नहीं कर देना, क्योंकि आपको एलसीएम में ये अपने आप से आप गायब नहीं कर सकते हो, बढ़ा सकते हो आप नंबर को, राइट, बट इतने फैक्टर्स तो होने ज़रूरी हैं. सो व्हाट वुड वी से? वी विल मल्टीप्लाई अनदर 5 हियर. देयरफॉर द रिक्वायर्ड स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 3 नंबर्स वुड बी, इनसे ये तो था ही ऑलरेडी डिविजिबल बाय 3 नंबर्स, बट वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं था तो हमने उसमें एक 5 डाल के उसे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बना दिया. सो 900 वुड बी द स्मॉलेस्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर विच वुड ऑल्सो बी डिविजिबल बाय ऑल दीज 3 numbers 4, 9 and 10. Got it? Now 10th question is also exactly the same, children. बिल्कुल यही लैंग्वेज है, यही वर्किंग होगी. So I have not done that. You will try yourself to see whether you've understood or not. Okay? So that finishes off this exercise. You will also finish that off. Then I'll start the next topic.